Welcome to the video. I'm your host, Scalper 779. We're going to start off by looking at the ES futures call and put options. And first, we got the puts, because in the morning, the ES went down until 10:30, and then at 10:45, had a nice bounce back up. So, we're going to look at the 496 put. And right off the bat, we got a low of $525, $600. Kind of pricey, but it went all the way up to $2,375. It's not $23.75. No, you have to multiply that by 100. And I'm going to keep reminding everyone watching once in a while, not all the time, but almost $2,400. Okay, that's a good payoff right there, if you ask me. But we might see some better payoffs in percentages when we look at the 950. Next up, we got the 4950 put. Low price, $285, all the way up to $1,650, $1,650. Not bad. And 4950 level is right here. Okay, nice powerful move down. So next up, we got 4940. That's what we're going to look at. And for the last of the puts on the ES for February 5th, 2024 is a 4940 put. And at 9:45 to 10 o'clock, we got a low of $140. That's very affordable. Anybody could buy one of those, and by 10:45, it says it starts at, see this time, that's when the candle starts, 10:30. It's a 15-minute candle. So by the end of 10:45, the high came to $1,050. So think about that. You put in, so the low is 140. Let's say you got $150, $160. In about half an hour to 45 minutes, you have $1,050. So almost $1,000 profit in your back pocket there. But that's pretty good action for the puts. Now let's take a look at the calls. Starting off the calls, we got the 4950 call, and at 10:45. We got a low of $460. It's not bad. Not that cheap though, but not too expensive. So $460 all the way. What's the high here? 2,700. So I mean, you could have got in anywhere from 10:45 to 11 o'clock. This is a 15-minute candle again, and just over an hour or so. Sorry, 2 hours. Could have gone to $2,700. That's pretty good. That's a pretty good profit. But if you held the 230, 245, what's the high here? $2,600, $2,600, $2,700. That's a really good move. All right, and that's the 4950 area right here. So the next one we're going to be looking at is the 4960 area. Let's see how that panned out. The second to last call option we'll be looking at is the 4960 call right here. And at 10:45, matches up to this price action over there. We got a low of $250 per contract, per call option, I should say. And we got a high at 12:30 or so of $1,250, and it sneaked up there to $1,275, but it came back down a little bit and then had a final push all the way up to 1,750. So that's the high, and the low is 250. Very good, very strong move. And let's take a look at the last one. That's going to be 49.70. Let's see how that worked out. The last call option we'll be looking at on this video is the 49.70, and it's not as strong as the 49.60, but let's take a look at it. 10:45 time frame. The low is $115, so a lot cheaper to buy. Okay, and then the high here is $605 and $615. That's a pretty good move. I'd say that's still all right, even compared to the, if you watch the spider call options and put option video, you know, $115 to $605. That's a pretty good profit right there. And this one, 800, a high of $850. So not bad. I mean, for the 49.70 call option is right here. Yeah, I think because the time of day that the price pierced 49.70, it just didn't lack enough juice, enough strength to at least get the double top. But anyway, good action nonetheless. Traders, scalpers, thank you for watching the video. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. Please like the video, and we'll see you in the next one.